Are you trying to decide between Metricool, Buffer, and Later? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these three social media tools to help you find the best fit for your needs. All three tools help you manage your social media accounts. They allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze your performance, but they each have their own unique features. Let's start with Metricool. This tool is great for planning and analyzing your content. It offers a visual calendar that makes it easy to see what you have scheduled. Metricool also provides detailed analytics, helping you understand what works best for your audience. Now, let's talk about Buffer. Buffer is known for its simplicity and user friendly interface. It allows you to schedule posts across multiple platforms quickly. Buffer also has a feature called Pablo, which helps you create eye catching images for your posts. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward tool without too many bells and whistles. Next is Later. Later is all about visual content. It's especially popular for Instagram users. You can drag and drop images into a calendar, making it easy to plan your feed visually. Later also offers a link in bio feature, which helps you turn your Instagram posts into clickable links. When it comes to differences, Metricool shines with its analytics. Buffer is all about ease of use and Later focuses on visual planning. Each tool has its strengths based on what you need. In terms of pricing, all three offer free plans with basic features. Paid plans vary, with each tool providing more advanced options. So, who should choose what? If you want in depth analytics, go for Metricool. If you prefer a simple interface, Buffer is your best bet. And if visuals are your priority, Later is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.